So, like most of you, I subscribe to a bunch of these newsletters and end up not reading any of them, but they're actually useful. So, to actually make me read them, I created this agent which gives me a weekly summary of all the newsletters that I received in the past week and send a single short email with uh, summarizing each email and giving links if I want to go into detail in any of them. I'll go over the code of the same. I used CrewAI, Composio, and Grok to build the same. As you can see, first part is import, then initializing the Composio tool set with Gmail tool, initializing Grok with Llama 3.170b. With then this is an email fetcher agent, which basically uses the label newsletter and fetches last 7 days mail. I specify the date because the LLM is not trained recently, so I have to specify the date in the backstory. Then there's a summarizer agent, which basically summarizes all the information in those newsletters. And then there's an email sender agent, which basically sends the email formatted in a particular way that I want. I have specified the format also here. I can play with it, but I generally prefer this format. So that's where you can also play with the specific format you want, or specific type of things that you want to focus on. You can specify this in the task, send task, and summarize task and the fetch task to kind of personalize this agent for your use case. And then this is just kicking off the crew. And just walk you through a crew run. It gets the labels. It figures that it needs to call this particular label because it's newsletter, gets all the emails around it, and summarizes it. Then it sends it in this format. That's it. In around 100 lines of code, I'm actually reading my newsletters now. So